Hi, this is Mark with At My Home, and today is a first look at the new Wyze Headphones. So the Wyze Headphones are really nice. They come with a whole bunch of features that I'm shocked at, especially when you see the price of this thing. It has active noise cancellation. That's really nice. So if you're on an airplane, you get rid of the airplane noise supposedly. It has high quality sound. It has 20-hour battery life, clear voice pickup, comfort fit, because we're going to find out how comfortable they really are. Really cool is it has Alexa built in, so you don't have to have an Echo for it. They have touch controls, and let's see what else they have here. Wireless Bluetooth 5.0. What that really means is I can actually pair my headset with two things at the same time. So for example, I could have it paired with my Mac, and I could have it paired with my phone, which means if I get a phone call, I should be able to handle that whole thing at the same time. Whatever I'm listening to on the Mac and what's listening to on the phone will all happen at the same time. That's kind of a nice feature. And it does have an audio cable compatibility. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe that means if you have to plug them in, you can. So that's the first look at the Wyze headphones with noise cancellation. So now we're going to go off and do a full review, and so stay tuned. Thank you very much.